DJ Khaled.
Yeah, I go on and on. Can't understand how I last so long. I must have the superpowers. Last 223,000 hours, and it's cause I'm off of CC and I'm off the Hennessy. And like your boy from
YouTube, what is good? We are back with another video, and today we will be making the vinegar volcano. So first you would need a plate. This is like a turkey biscuit. You know how you have the juice on the side of the chicken and then you want to put some juice on the top of the dry parts of the chicken? Yeah, we're going to use that today.
I love that part of the chicken.
You will need vinegar. You will need dish soap. You will need baking soda.
Oh, excuse me.
You will need 2 bottles.
You will need some food coloring by Family Dollar.
Some tape.
Some scissors, and when you use the scissors, you need to hold it like this before you cut yourself, and you don't want to cut yourself.
And you will need a spoon and a measuring cup. And also paper, because you have to outline the volcano. Okay, so let's get started. First, you're going to get yourself a recycled bottle.
There's water in it. It's just...
This is my water bottle. So don't start calling me dirty under the comments and stuff like that. This is mine. Now you go like this. And then you get your vinegar. Come on, help me.
Vinegar. I hate the smell of vinegar.
Come over here.
Oh, stay, boy.
Pour. You're going to pour it halfway to the top of the bottle. Pour. Pour some more. Pour. Oh, wait, hold on.
Stink.
Okay, pour some more. Pour. So that step is out the way. You add your red food coloring because volcanoes are red.
Sure.
Here, so you add your food coloring. Back.
2.
Back some more. So you will need at least 5 to 6 droplets of food coloring, and then you add your dish detergent. You ain't gonna put too much, you just gonna pour a little swig of dish detergent. Remember, you don't wanna waste your dish detergent. Let's jump to the next part. You will take your second bottle, 3 tablespoons of baking soda.
Ooh.
To the bottom. You're not getting no messy, but 3 tablespoons. No, we're not gonna do it that way. It's too messy.
For this step of the video, you will draw an outline of your volcano.
Okay, guys, so I am cutting out the outline of the volcano. Okay, so then, should we just do like one big circle like that? Let me see if it'll work. Do that. Okay. Cut it. Your price is way too high, you need to cut it. Your price is way too high, you need to cut it.
Baking soda. I got baking soda.
Boy.
Oh, I tried my best to outline a volcano, and now you're going to fold it in half like this, and you're going to tape the ends down with some tape. All right, so hold this in like this. Lena came up with this very creative idea and took one long piece of tape to tape the back of the volcano. Okay. So guys, next you're going to get your vinegar,
Vinegar.
vinegar,
Vinegar.
vinegar,
Vinegar.
vinegar,
Vinegar.
dish soap, and food coloring
Food coloring.
bottle. And then you're going to place your big volcano over it. This might not look exactly like a volcano, but we tried our best
Yep.
to make it look like a volcano. Hold on.
Cut it in. Cut it in. Ooh.
Guys, I'm on the floor. We going down, y'all.
Yeah.
We going down.
I knew this was gonna happen.
Our experiment just fell on the floor. Kid you not. Okay, guys, so we just finished cleaning up part of that big mess. There's a bunch of vinegar, food coloring, and dish soap on the floor. We gotta clean that up, and it stink. So we're gonna try to hurry up and finish this video. Again, we do not want to rush a video because we want you guys to enjoy it, and we are very thankful for our followers and the amount of love that we get so far. But let's finish it. So next, you're gonna add your baking soda to your mix. Go ahead.
I could tell it's trying to explode.
Yo, this is an epic fail. Just give it a few more minutes. I got it. Oh! There we go, 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 there we go.
Yay!
There we go. That's our volcano, guys.
Volcano.
That's our little volcano.
So pretty. Hi, volcano.
Yep. Hope you guys like this vinegar volcano. Thanks for subscribing and liking our volcano video. This stuff is a mess. We love you guys. Thank you. We rock.